Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Chairman hakajo kapor ubalongru Managing Director jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited uba PS thank you haka laipo terek unai wing arjakat pra ulap lepat ba ya ka jakai le ka badminton ne ka indoor badminton court jong ka MECL Sports and Games Association haka je lang ka balalong haplau jong ka office trekam jong ka nikatnan kabaran halom jingshai maulai shillong katnat MECL kelas nai kini ka jakai le ka haka jinglot ka bakot lai persan lak tengka yakaba labha daka Rural Electrification Power Distribution Company Limited lengba ka Corporate Social Responsibility jong usnam mangtika arjar khanyo arja khatpra daka jingshna yakini ka jakai la kai kanyarap ikinong tre jokani katnat sambording bakinyo banpolot por khandiat hakika mila kai kaban ajing muntoy ru yaki hakaliang ka kot kakhya hakani ka jelang lai donlang ru ki director joka MECL nakasnat transmission generation distribution ban corporate affairs bat kiwe de ki balasa korsoba kom kadak ka jingple pajba yakini ka jakai la kai hakani ka sngi la polong ru yak jela kai parlong hapadang kinong tre jong ka MECL.
I think this is the first building perhaps in the state where the major component of the building has been made of recycled materials. So this is something which is a story needs to be told to your children, to your peers, to your friends that at least sitting in this Loop Jingshai, we've been able to perhaps show some Jingshai to others in our society and in the state. In any organization, there's politics, there's issues, there's agenda. But the important thing is that communication is the most important tool for all of you to focus on whatever jobs you have. This has been my endeavor as your CMD, that the cooperation is the most important for you, like everything in the interest of the corporation. And I hope that this facility, which we've been able to provide, will be a step in that direction.